Hare Krishna. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna describes this world as Dukkhalayam Ashashvatam. Ashashvatam means temporary. In this world, anything that has got a beginning has to have an end also. Everything is temporary. Plus, also Lord Krishna says Dukkhalayam. Dukkhalayam means place of suffering. We may wonder, hey, everyone is wanting to be happy. We want to make this world a Sukhalayam. But according to the Bhagavad Gita, it is Dukkhalayam, suffering. And these sufferings are coming from different sources. Three miseries, threefold miseries. Adhyatmik, Adidaivik and Adibhautik. Adhyatmik means the suffering that is coming from within us. Our own mind, our own senses, our own body sometimes give suffering. Adidaivik means natural calamities. Earthquakes, tsunami, flood, cyclone, so many kinds of natural calamities, we also get suffering from that. And also Adibhautik. Adibhautik means suffering coming from other living entities. Sometimes tiger, snake, elephant, these animals may try to attack us. And now this is the season of corona. So corona is just a very small microorganism, and this small entity virus has actually given so much suffering that the whole world is fearful. This corona pandemic, everybody is fearful. And how to come out of this fear? Bhaya, everyone is in bhaya. One has to actually come to the stage of abhaya, fearlessness. And this fearlessness comes only from spiritual shelter. Lord Krishna's lotus feet is known as Abhaya Charan, the lotus feet which can give fearlessness. In Srimad Bhagavatam, it is described that Samashritaye Padapallavaplavam Mahat Padam Punya Yasho Murare Bhavam Buddhir Vatsapadam Padam Padam Yat Vipadam Natesham. In this world, according to Srimad Bhagavatam, every step is a danger. We don't know anything. You may walk out of the house or office, anything can happen. So this is what Bhagavatam says, every step is a danger. In the season of corona, every touch is a danger. Anything you touch, people are very fearful. And in this fearful situation, how to come out of that? And that is possible only by taking shelter at the lotus feet of Krishna. This whole material world is considered to be like a ocean, Bhavam Buddhir, the ocean of birth and death. In this ocean, everybody is tossed here and there by the waves of different miseries. And the only way a person who is in the middle of the ocean drowning is to get shelter of a boat. And in the spiritual sense, Lord Krishna's lotus feet is considered to be the shelter boat in which one can actually very easily cross all these sufferings, all these miseries. And the example given here is that exactly like a big ocean, it becomes like a very small water contained in a calf's hoof print by taking shelter of Krishna. Where is the big ocean? Where is the water in a calf's hoof print? Very little water. And in this little water of calf's hoof print, coronavirus will not even exist. There is no significance for the coronavirus. So in this way, taking shelter at the lotus feet of Krishna gives a person the spiritual strength to actually overcome the miseries of this coronavirus. How to take shelter? By rendering some service to Krishna. How to serve Krishna? Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Patram Pushpam Phalam Toyam Yome Bhaktya Prayachati Tadaham Bhakti Upagradam Asnami Prayatatmanaha. Little tulasi leaf, little flower, and little fruit, little water. These simple things, when they are offered to Lord Krishna, Krishna becomes very pleased with the devotion. With the devotion, when it is offered, Krishna is pleased. When Krishna is pleased, we get the blessings. And that blessings makes us spiritually immune to all the material sufferings. And wherever there is Krishna and wherever there is Arjuna, there is always victory. So, by taking shelter of Krishna, by rendering some service to Krishna, we get the blessings of Krishna, which is very, very essential. In this season of Corona, there is no medicine, there is no vaccine, and what we can fully depend on is the spiritual strength, spiritual immunity by serving Lord Krishna. And this is actually the time where your services matter the most. The temple is closed and there is no visitors, practically there is no income, but services, Nitya Seva, like service of Lord Krishna, has to go on. They cannot stop. The devotees who have surrendered to Lord Krishna, they are in the temple, they have to be maintained. There are some essential maintenance activity. So all these things have to go on, and this is the time we need the support of well-wishers like you. Please come forward and try to contribute for various services. Janmashtami festival is coming, and sadhus are there, sadhu bhojan, maintenance of the temple. Like that, there are various services. Please take part in these services, and by doing so, Krishna will be very pleased. And when Krishna is pleased, you get the unlimited blessings of Krishna, and that unlimited blessings are the only scope for us to overcome this coronavirus, become victorious, and become very happy in this life. So please contribute generously for the cause of the temple, and Krishna will bless you. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.